Hey everyone, check out the Dragonhawk Beginner Tattoo Kit, featuring a wireless rotary pen made from durable aluminum alloy. This complete setup includes premium cartridges designed for smooth ink flow and a membrane mechanism to prevent spitback. The reliable power supply delivers quick voltage adjustments for consistent performance. Studio experts and millions of users worldwide trust this powerful machine. It is designed to make your tattooing experience easy and efficient. Grab yours today and start creating amazing body art. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.